and coding, will AI replace programmers? Programmers are panicking, but here's what they're not telling you about AI and coding. In recent years, we've seen an explosion of artificial intelligence tools entering the world of software development. Tools like GPT-4, GitHub Copilot, and Amazon's CodeWhisperer are now capable of generating entire code bases, debugging errors, and even suggesting complex algorithms in real time. It's no longer a distant dream. AI in software development is here, and it's already changing the way we code. The conversation is heating up. AI versus coders, who wins? Will GPT-4 coding engines and their future successors replace human developers altogether? Or is this just another tech trend overhyped by the media? If you've been anywhere near developer forums, tech blogs, or coding channels lately, you've likely seen a mix of fascination and fear. Some programmers are excited by the possibilities, while others are genuinely worried. What happens to my job if a machine can code better and faster than I can? Let's take a closer look. AI tools today can write functions, generate boilerplate code, create front-end interfaces, and even automate tests. They're faster than humans, they don't get tired, and they're only getting better. GPT-4, for example, doesn't just answer questions. It can understand vague prompts and deliver full code snippets based on your intent. Give it a few lines of what you want, and it can churn out an entire component, complete with comments and edge case handling. And with GitHub Copilot sitting right inside your IDE, it feels like you have a tireless pair programmer working with you 24/7. So yes, it's understandable why people are talking about AI replacing programmers. After all, if machines can do what we do and do it faster, what's left for human developers? But here's what many are missing. AI in coding is powerful, but it's not magic. These tools are only as good as the data they've been trained on. They don't understand context the way humans do. They don't know why a business rule matters or how a customer will experience a feature. They can't make judgment calls, and they certainly don't innovate on their own. What they do is mimic, and mimic very well, based on patterns found in vast amounts of existing code. Here's the thing. Programming isn't just about writing code, it's about solving problems. It's about architecture, product thinking, user experience, security, performance, and making trade-offs between time, complexity, and cost. Those decisions require understanding, empathy, and foresight, traits that AI doesn't possess. Even when AI generates code, it still needs supervision. It can make mistakes, introduce vulnerabilities, or misunderstand your requirements. You still need a skilled developer to review, test, and integrate the output into a working system. So instead of AI replacing programmers, what we're really seeing is AI transforming the role of programmers. Think of it like the calculator. When it first came out, people thought it would make math classes obsolete. But it didn't. It just shifted the focus from basic arithmetic to more advanced problem solving. In the same way, AI is automating the repetitive, low-level parts of coding, freeing up developers to focus on higher-level thinking, strategy, and creativity. What's really exciting is how AI is making coding more accessible. Non-coders can now build simple apps using natural language. Designers can prototype without deep technical skills. Startups can build MVPs faster and cheaper. That's not something to fear, that's something to celebrate. The future of programming isn't AI versus coders, it's coders with AI. The best developers won't be the ones who write every line of code from scratch. They'll be the ones who know how to use AI tools to work smarter, faster, and better. They'll understand when to trust the machine and when to override it. They'll blend human insight with machine efficiency to deliver better software than either could alone. So will AI replace programmers? Not likely, at least not in the way people fear. It will change the way we code, yes. It will shift the skills we value, yes. But it won't make developers obsolete. Instead, it'll make the best ones even more powerful. The future of software development isn't about being replaced. It's about being augmented. AI is the next evolution of our toolkit. And like every evolution before it, it will push us to grow, adapt, and get better. So if you're a developer, don't panic. Embrace the change. Learn how these tools work. Experiment. Explore. Because in the age of GPT-4 coding and beyond, the real power won't lie in just writing code. It'll lie in knowing how to shape it, direct it, and use AI to build what only humans can imagine.